Woo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Big wave. Yeah man, they're on the reef in here earlier again. Relatively flat today. Oh, whoa, you see that? First cast, eh? You see lick here a while ago? Watch the lure again. The first cast where you cast bird. Yeah. Woo. Not bad today. First hit on my first cast. And dropped it. I hold my bait in there. Throwing the spook lure right now because it's pretty flat. Huh? Yeah, in the deep, we hard to turn up. Could bait, man. Watch it. No. Bait like problem. Anytime big wave they come, they push you over. Whoa. Alright, so back to the intro. Yeah man, I did out on the reef early this morning again. Whoa, yeah! Fish bird, fish bird! Fish day out there! You see me get one more blow up again, man? Then they right out straight out ahead of me right out there, so. But they not pick up the lure, they just hit it. Whoa. Bend up my leader. They don't pick up the lure at all. See that, guys? 2 times I try to do the intro and 2 times I get a blow up. Hit it. Yo, look behind the lure a while ago. Whoa. I don't know what is out here as a bird. Something out here but it nah pick up the lure. Whoa. It's so hard to stand here. This top water fire them up this morning. Alright, just switch off the lure. Throwing the Madscad now. Let's see if we're going to find anything for the Madscad. Oh, high wave. Another one. Whoa. Alright, another one. Not as high. Let's see if they will pick up the Madscad. Not a bad cast. Roberta go across the reef. At a different spot on the reef now. Ooh, not a bad cast. Ah, fish on! Fish on, man. Bird! Fish on. Oh, what kind of fish is that? Feel like in foul hook. Oh, look at that. Very small barjack, but he's foul hooked. Wow. He's injured really bad, but he's very small. Oh. There it goes. He's still swimming lively. Still swimming lively, so hopefully he make it. Alright. Broke my ducks. First one that 3 morning. That's the first one for the morning. Just saw, oh come on, just saw something jump at the lure. He did hit it. All right, time for the spoon. Give spoon a try over here now. See if we might find something. Ah, oh, fish on, guys. Think it's a long jaw. Oh man, I've been, oh, it's a jack. I've been trying to turn on the camera. Whoa, fell off. That was a nice keeper jack. That was a nice one. That was a nice keeper jack. I was casting over on the flats a while ago, and I was saying that I'm not getting any hits. Got a hit from a long jaw, which shook the lure. And I did say I was gonna change the spoon, but then one mind say come try over the side here with the spoon again. Whoops, first cast before me even turn on the camera. Hook up that jack. Wow. Gonna try keep the camera rolling now. I was just doing a fast retrieve on the spoon a while ago. Not twitching it any at all, just fast retrieve on the jack, just grab it up. The way it was jumping though, I thought it was a long jaw. Uncle Bert gone way down the line. That's what, 2 jacks today? Something just hit at the lure but didn't take it up. That's 2 jacks today. Released one and the other one drop off. Finally took off the spoon, threw in Yazuri inshore twitch 70 mm, different color from the one that I caught the Barra on last week, cause that one got messed up. So this is a brand new one, first time throwing this one. Let's see if we're going to catch anything on it. These lures are so fun to fish in with, man. Been searching for about 2 hours now. Still have not gotten any more hookups. Change up pretty much every lure we have. Still not get no hookups. Uncle Bertie even gone out. Uncle Bertie saying get tired now. I'll get some water and stuff. I might soon leave as well, cause trust me, it's very hard to walk around out here. It makes your feet so tired and sore. So I normally walk go all the way down, so don't think I'm gonna do that today. See if anything in that little puddle here. Normally, what's that? Ah, lost him. Wow, did get a hook up there. There is something inside here. Normally I could walk out on the flat and cast around, but the water is low on the flats right now. As you guys can see how brown it looks. That's because it's just grassy looking and there's no water. In the last video that I posted where I caught the barra, the water was high, so I knew I could search out the flats, because it would have something over there in the high water. That was a good hit a while ago too, you know, man. Pull a few, click a drag. So one small jack follow it a while ago. Twitch, 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 twitch. Oh, ah, ah. Oh man, seems like I might be having some fun in this little spot. Twitch, 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 twitch. Always check your gears every now and then where the rod join. Just double check it. Twitch, 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 twitch. Ah, come here. Come here, man. Come here. Nice little barra. Oh, he dropped it. Nice little barra, you know, guys. Nice little barra. Oh, come on, man. Give him just a little bit of slack, you know. Just a little bit of slack, me give him. And now I'm not gonna catch him again. Twitch, 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 twitch. So that's how I got him a while ago. I was, instead of reeling it straight in, I was twitching it, twitch and pause, twitch, pause, twitch, pause, and then strike it. That was a nice barra though, probably about 2-3 pound. That was a nice barra. See if more in there. Twitch, 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 twitch. Twitch, twitch, twitch. Twitch, 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 twitch. Wind is picking up. Not sure how long I'm gonna be able to stay out here now. Don't think I'm going to catch anything else in this puddle, because whatever was living in there, I got 3 hits in there. So it's either that one barra was hitting it a couple of times, or there are different fish hitting it, and more than likely they're gone now because their mouth sore. So there are a couple more puddles over there. I'm gonna try them out and see if I go and get anything. Wind is picking up now though. How did I not get a nice fish today, man? I got so many hits. Alright, just stick around. I'm going to go down to the other pool, the other puddle, and see if I'm going to find anything down there. Alright, I'm at another little pool. See if I can find anything in it. Twitch, 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 twitch. So I'm just going to twitch the lure. See if I'm going to find anything in this one. If not, I'm going to walk down to another one down there. Not sure I'm going to go past that one though, because wind is picking up. But let's see how I feel today. Nothing so far. Nothing in here so far. Still just twitching it, twitching it. Not finding anything in here. Alright, I'm going to go further down to the other little puddle and see if I find anything, so stick around. I'm going to be casting now and then in between getting there, so if I get anything I'll turn on the camera. Alright, I'm at the next little area I wanted to try out. If I don't get anything in here, I'm gonna go back to my car, pretty much wrap up the video here now, cause yeah, Rasta tired. I've been out here walking around and casting for the longest while now. Did get a nice hookup from a bar a while ago. You guys would have seen that, but haven't gotten anything over this side as yet. I mean, I could walk from here all the way down to the other end, but I'd have to walk, come back up, and my feet are tired, so I think I'm gonna call it quits out here now. The wind is picking up as well. Don't intend for my line to get any wind knots on it, so I'm probably gonna pack up after I finish fishing right here. I'm a tad bit tired, you know. Nothing. As you guys can see, there's some rain clouds forming, and I think I'm gonna leave out here before any rain. See, I'm even losing focus just a while ago, really in the lure a little bit too close to the tip of the rod. So yeah, that's just tiredness kicking in, you know. So I think I'm gonna call it quits here. Make my last cast out there. So yeah, this was a fun session. Didn't really get anything to show like that on camera, but you guys saw all of the blow-ups I was getting. I was getting quite a number of blow-ups, some hits, some drop off. Got a nice little drop, brought it in, released him, got another one after that, brought it in, and him drop off I lure before me could get him. That one was bigger. That one would have been nice for frying up. This one in the puddle a while ago, I got another nice little barra hookup. I give him just a little bit of slack and then jump and shake the lure. So yeah, that's it for today. Feeling a bit tired now. Gonna go back to the car, get some water, get a snack or something, and call it a day. So big up to you guys for tuning in. Yeah man, it's a pleasure having you guys this week again. Yeah, each and every one of you, big up, enough love, enough respect. Can't emphasize how much I appreciate the support from you guys always. Mr. Caswell, So at TV, Jamaica Shore Fishing, Maki and Cabo, Nigel, Mr. Irvin. Yeah man, everybody will support Hartman Adventures. Big up to you guys. Yeah man, you have New Haven, Connecticut, City, always there. Venture for adventure. Yeah man, real flanker. Big up yourself. So much of you guys, you know. So much of you guys. For big up. Devon from Canada, same way. Big up yourself. Fishing with Zach. New look at lures. All of you guys. Everybody who me not call your name. Genesis one. Big up yourself, Genesis. Trust me, always a support. Yeah man. Jamaica Adventures. Wildlife TV. Yeah man. Big up yourself. Anthony Spearfishing. Hey, so much people want to say big up to, man. So much people. But yeah, I call it quits for today. If you don't hear me call your name, guys, yeah man, apologies, but big up yourself. I appreciate you. Enough love, same way. And catch you in the next video. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.